WAXP coin is one of the unique coins today will get a profit in last 7 days plus 3.78%. The price is increasing, so that is a coin, my friend, as you can see here on the chart. Absolutely, my friend, you can see here they were phased down and from September 25, 26, 27, and 29, but after my friends 29 they will pump it and completely go in the moon now. So therefore I will notify you, my viewer, my subscriber, to if you also want to get a profit now, do this. I am 100% sure, my friends, so they will make you a millionaire now. But some holders are doing very huge mistake to, my friend, when they see a huge profit, a huge target, so definitely they will fails down and absolutely they will never get a profit. So please, Bex coin holder, if you want to get a profit now, do this what I taught you. I hope you will never lose. My brother, in those days, if we check out the last my friend's sorry 24-hour chart, so this is very important, my friends, we will understand. Oh my goodness, plus 22.9% VIX will get a profit. Can you believe this, my friend? This is the 1st October and VIX, my friend, will get a, oh my goodness, 22.9% profit. My friends, I can't expect this from this coin, but definitely this is one of the fastest cryptocurrencies. So therefore, I will notify you too. If you also want to get a profit now, do this what I tell you. I am 100% sure they will make you a millionaire now. My brothers, please hold now. And if you want to invest now, the price is also very cheap. So buy it. I hope, my friends, they will make you a millionaire now at the end of month, at the mid of month. But just only buy now, my friends. So hope you will better understand, my friends. Please, big coin holders, don't do any mistake to start selling. Otherwise, my friend, you will miss this chance to get a profit. Please don't miss this chance. Everybody try to understand. Please don't miss this chance. Just go now, invest now. I hope, my friends, they will make you a millionaire now. See you next time, big coin holder. Please like video and also subscribe this channel.